Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to file down the Rakers on a chainsaw chain. So I hope you like this video. Do so by clicking on that like button. And also, before we get diving into this, please consider supporting the work we do here at How To Video Channel by either becoming a monthly member or making a one-time donation. We thank you for your support. We also have other chainsaw videos, so check those out. They'll be on How To Video Channel. I'll put a link to the playlist in a card up here. You can see how to sharpen the chain and also how to do a variety of repair tasks. So check those out. They could be very helpful to you. All right, in order to file down the raker, you're going to need a raker file and probably a guide, because that will be very helpful. So we've got this right here. It's an Oregon set, and this is for 0.025 inches. So make sure your guide is the right one for your chain. And then a file is just a standard flat file. You could probably get away with using any flat file as long as it would fit between your guide here. So to do this, it's really very simple. By the way, if you need these products, check out the description below, or they'll probably pop up while you're watching this video. So it's very simple. You set this up here on top of the chain, and you can see right here, is this above or not? Just push your file over. Yep, I'm running into it. So then it's a matter of file it a few times until it becomes level. If you start filing the guide, then that's too far. So just make sure you do that. You can see you don't have to take much off. It's really just a little bit right here on the tip. You can see right there. I'm going to zoom in for you, and you can kind of check that out. It really is just this tip right there that's coming down off of that. So we'll put this guide on there and you can see how it looks. So I'll go this way, and you can see now we're under the guide, so that's perfect. Let's go to the next one. We'll check that one. Nice thing about the rakers is you can do it in both directions, so check that out. That one seems pretty good. Just a little bit. And there we go. You can see there, we just filed a little bit off on that side. Now we'll try this one. Looks like that one's going to need a little bit. So there we go. Just a titch on each raker as the chains get filed down. So that is it. That is how to file down your rakers. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because it would take a while. You get the idea. You just repeat step after step through the whole chain, every raker, file them down. So if you have any questions, please comment below. I also hope you liked this video and consider supporting How To Video Channel. Thank you.